thunderstorms. Saturday night, southeast winds 15 knots. Sea 3 to 5 feet. Inland waters a moderate chub. Isolated showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Sea 3 to 5 feet. Inland waters light chub. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Sunday night, south winds 15 knots. Sea 3 to 5 feet. Inland waters a moderate chub. Isolated showers and thunderstorms.